Upgrade your kitchen with our impressive 22-inch composite granite single-bowl kitchen sink. Made from 80% quartz and 20% acrylic resin, this sink is highly stain-resistant, scratch-resistant, heat-resistant, and extremely easy to clean. With a deep bowl design and thick granite construction, noise during use is minimized. Requires a cabinet interior of at least 22.5 inches. Available in black, gray, or white with a lasting aesthetic that won't fade. This sink can be installed as either undermount or drop-in with a smooth and flat flange for easy installation. Comes with a stainless steel strainer perfectly fitting the 3.5 sink opening. Enjoy your sink with the following recommended accessories: